And that's the top story that we've been tracking for you. The train accident in Tamil Nadu. At least 7 passengers feared dead and over 85 injured after the Chennai Beach Vellore cantonment train proceeding towards Vellore rammed into the stationary Arakonam Katpadi passenger train at a point between Melpakkam and the Chatheri stations. This is near Arakonam, and the accident taking place at about 9:30 p.m. on Tuesday night. The Arakonam Katpadi train was waiting for the signal when it was hit by the Vellore-bound train. 5 bogies of the stationary train and 3 bogies of the moving train derailed after this accident. Mr. Nagaraj, DM of Vellore, now joining us on the phone line for more details. Mr. Nagarajan, we are told that the relief operations are now over. Do we have any confirmation on the number of casualties?
The 86 injured have been brought to Arakonam General Hospital. More serious patients from GH are being taken to Chennai. And we can count 5 people dead at the spot at the accident site, and 3 people are dead at the hospital. So right now what we know is 8 fatalities and 83 people are injured.
All right, 8 casualties. We've got more than 80 people in hospitals. Sir, is it fair to say that the relief operations are now over, or are people still trapped inside?
The accident took place at around 9:30.
Right.
By 11 p.m. we have taken out all the survivors. They have been admitted to the hospital. So in terms of rescue of the survivors and the treatment, it is completed.
So there are no more passengers still trapped inside the bogies. Is that something we can confirm now?
NDRF, the National Disaster Response Force, is there. So far we know there are no survivors there, as far as we can see.
All right, sir. We're told that several injured passengers taken to various hospitals. You yourself mentioned the Arakonam Government Hospital, the Vellore Hospital. Do we have an indication of the exact number of passengers who have been rushed to hospitals? Also, which are these hospitals?
Right now, this breakup is not available. I can let you know. This breakup is not available.
Mr. Nagarajan there giving us an update on the relief and rescue operations there. He is confirming, of course, that all those who were trapped inside have now been rushed to the hospital. The relief and rescue operations are now over. 10 p.m. is about 9:30 p.m. is when the accident took place. By about 11 o'clock, the relief and rescue operations were over. Of course, the railway minister is also rushing to the accident site, but he held a press briefing at the Rail Bhavan just a short while ago. Let's listen in.
I am personally taking the first available flight along with the chairman and my Mr. Muniappa and the other railway board members. Ex gratia is being announced, which is 5 lakhs. Usually there is just cannot be compensated for a death, but 5 lakhs has been announced, and 1 lakh for the grievous injury,
25,000
and 25,000 for the simple injury. I have just spoken to the Secretary Government of Tamil Nadu. Injuries have been taken to the nearby hospital and they are all being looked after. As I said, we are personally going to the site. Cause of the accident cannot be ascertained at the moment, but I understand the driver
of the
memo train is alive. He is also going through the treatment. We will come to know whatever is the cause, but initial information was told that the signal light was there. Besides this, more details are awaited. As far as the details of the train, etc. is concerned, I will request the chairman to mention about it.
Sir, but if we could ask you certain questions, sir. Similar accident, similar place as a press conference, and you said that steps are being taken so that important human life is not taken away. So these are really, if I could mention, stupid mistakes. A standing train being hit by a moving train. This could have rather been prevented if we had those automatic brakes which we've been talking about, and many such infrastructure. So why isn't railway getting
all these things do take time. It's just been 2 months, and If there is a human error or not, we do not know. What appears, and I cannot really be irresponsible and say this is the cause, but there are many times human error. We do not know what exactly has happened. All these technical things which are time consuming, but we cannot leave any stone unturned. And I am personally very much disturbed. I can tell you that. And I have also mentioned that whoever otherwise is responsible, if it is not a human error, and if it is also a human error, we have got to go down into the causes. Why these human errors are occurring? These human errors also needs to be looked into. So we ensure that all those loco drivers, all those motor drivers, have they been rested? That was my first question. This train had just taken off about 8 kilometers.
Yes.
8 kilometers from the station. And I also was told that the driver was very well rested.
16 hours rest.
He had 16 hours rest. These are the initial questions any normal human being would ask. And these are the questions I also did ask. But this is at too initial stage. We are personally going, and whatever best is required, you can be rest assured we will do that. ये बहुत ही दुखद घटना है. मैं पर्सनली बहुत ही डिस्टर्ब्ड हूँ. ये ऐसा कभी नहीं होना चाहिए था. अब क्यों हुआ, कैसे हुआ, ये बहुत ही अभी तुरंत हुआ है, उसीलिए कहना बहुत मुश्किल है कि इसके कारण क्या है. मगर जैसे सबको अब मालूम है मीडिया के द्वारा कि एक ट्रेन जो खड़ी हुई थी उसको पीछे से एक चेन्नई वेलोर मेमो ट्रेन ने पीछे से धक्का मारा. इनिशियल रिपोर्ट से पता चला है कि सिग्नल रेड था, मगर इसको असर्टन करने के लिए हमें थोड़ा समय चाहिए. मैं खुद चेयरमैन रेलवे बोर्ड और हमारे मिनिस्टर मुनियप्पा साहब के साथ अन्य रेलवे बोर्ड मेंबर्स के साथ पहली फ्लाइट जो चेन्नई जाती है हम लोग सब साथ जा रहे हैं. जैसे ही हमें ये पता चला, आप देख रहे हैं कि हम लोग तुरंत ऑफिस आ गए और हमारे अधिकारी एक्सीडेंट के साइट पर पहुंच चुके हैं. मुआवजा जो कॉम्पनसेशन दिया जा रहा है वो 5 लाख जो मारे गए हैं उनके फैमिली को, 1 लाख जो सीरियस इंजरी हुई है और 25,000 रुपए जो जिसे इंजरी ज्यादा नहीं हुई है. चीफ सेक्रेटरी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ तमिलनाडु से मेरी बात हुई है. वो अस्पताल में जितने भी रोगी हैं उनकी चिकित्सा ठीक से चल रही है. बाकी तो समय और थोड़ा चाहिए, क्योंकि कैसे हुआ, क्या हुआ और एग्जैक्ट नंबर कितनी कैजुअलिटी हुई है वो मुझे लगता है कि वहां के अधिकारी गण हैं. तमिलनाडु के 2 कलेक्टर्स, लोकल कलेक्टर्स भी वहां पहुंच चुके हैं. उसके बाद ही पता चलेगा कि एग्जैक्ट सिचुएशन, कैजुअलिटी कितनी है, इंजर्ड कितने हुए, सीरियस कितने हैं, ज्यादा सीरियस कितने हैं और कम सीरियस कितने हैं. ये थोड़ी देर के बाद ही पता चलेगा. कल सुबह पहली फ्लाइट से मैं, चेयरमैन रेलवे बोर्ड, मुनियप्पा साहब, हम लोग सब जा रहे हैं. जैसे ही हमें पता चला हम लोग सब यहाँ दफ्तर आ गए और जो भी कार्रवाई, उचित कार्रवाई करनी है वो हम सब करेंगे.
Railway Minister Dinesh Trivedi there giving an update on that train accident in Tamil Nadu, of course confirming only 7 dead, even though there are reports suggesting that there are more casualties. Sam Daniel, who is approaching the accident site now on the phone line with us. Sam, do you have any details of the relief and rescue operations? We're told that the operations are now finally over.
The rescue operation is finally over, Shweta, and now the focus is on to shift all the injured passengers to various hospitals to ensure their rescue and relief. And at this point in time, official version is that 7 are confirmed dead and more than 86 people have been admitted to various hospitals in Arakonam and in Vellore district of Tamil Nadu. Of course, people in the hospitals and eyewitnesses say the casualty has touched 15, but the official version is 7 at this point in time. And officials are also are working on clearing the railway line between Chennai and Arakkonam so that both incoming and outgoing train services can resume. What we understand is that the accident took place around 9:30 last night when a train bound for Katpadi, it's called as the Katpadi passenger train, was waiting for the signal to clear at a place called Chitteri. At the same time, there was another train heading from Chennai towards Vellore, and this train has hit the train that was waiting for signal. 3 coaches have derailed, very badly damaged, and as of now, all the passengers injured and those dead have been removed, taken to various hospitals. No idea on what exactly caused the accident. Various reports coming. Some say it could be signal failure. The driver who was driving the train that collided is critical. So at this time, officials say only a thorough inquiry would find out the exact cause of the accident. The railway minister, sources say, is on his way and will be at the accident spot tomorrow morning. And various teams are in their relief and rescue work, including the railway officials, the police, the fire and rescue teams, and also a team from the local naval base. Now the focus shifts to those injured passengers, 86 to be specific, who are being taken to various hospitals. We are also hearing reports that some are being taken to Chennai as well by various ambulances. So, Railway doing its best to make sure that all those who are injured are given the best possible treatment, and many are also moved after first aid from the Arakkonam hospital. Shweta.
Sam Daniel there reporting on that train accident in Tamil Nadu. Many thanks, Sam, for that update.